What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here with Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to talk about the top projects being built on the Binance Smart Chain. As you know, Binance Smart Chain was one of the first blockchains to help users navigate the murky waters of Ethereum's high gas fees. It was one of the first blockchains that responded to Ethereum's gas fees, which allowed the BSC chain to quickly grow in terms of total value locked. In fact, the BSC chain hosts some protocols with billions of dollars currently locked into them. In my opinion, without BSC chain, we would have had a much longer bear market than we initially did, simply because BSC introduced a new way to yield farm and really do away with super high gas fees that really plagued the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, because of BSC, I think it was one of the pioneers in so many different areas in cryptocurrency, because people for the first time ever were allowed to do unique strategies for yield farming and just so many other things that were simply not possible in the traditional Ethereum blockchain world. I mean, even simple voting rights on BSC, governance tokens, DAOs, etc. are simply exploding on BSC because having to do simple votes on some of the native Ethereum blockchain dApps, the users were having to pay super high fees just to simply vote. So BSC is definitely one of the pioneer OG cryptocurrency blockchain that really made it possible for new blockchains to model what BSC has already done and simply optimize from there. So if you're interested in your chance to win a Ledger Nano hardware wallet, then drop a comment below, and the comment can be literally about anything related to this video, or just share your thoughts on cryptocurrency in general. Then you'll now have a chance to win a free Ledger hardware wallet. And as always, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. That way, as I release more videos like this, you'll get notified. Now remember folks, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research anytime you invest in the cryptocurrency space. With the rate of growth in the cryptocurrency space, and as a result of Ethereum's inability to contain the high amount of trades that the DeFi boom has brought to the market, Binance Smart Chain has come to provide alternative solutions for users and protocol operators to build on. Launched in late August of 2022, Binance Smart Chain was created as a parallel blockchain to Binance Chain, which was introduced earlier to facilitate decentralized trading. It is an innovative solution for bringing programmability and interoperability to Binance Chain. Since its launch, many projects have expanded on it. Being a platform where projects can leverage high performance and low transaction fees, the blockchain is quite appealing to users and developers alike. So far, the blockchain has made immense transactions, taking advantage of Ethereum's congestion and gas fee issues. However, in this video, we'll be looking at the most promising projects in 2021 that are running on the Binance Smart Chain. First, let's take a look at PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is among the leading automated market makers in decentralized exchanges on Binance Smart Chain. The platform works both as a decentralized exchange and as a decentralized finance service provider. When it comes to functionality, it is quite identical to Uniswap and SushiSwap. With its cheaper and faster transactions of about 5 seconds on average, the platform has occasionally surpassed the transaction volume of Uniswap. PancakeSwap simply makes swapping of BEP20 tokens efficient and secure. PancakeSwap currently offers such services such as trading, interest earning on various yield farms, and PancakeSwap's lottery participation. Users that participate in the PancakeSwap lottery can match 4 numbers on the tickets they bought to win 50% of the entire lottery pool. Nonetheless, those that could only match 2 or 3 numbers in correct positions also receive rewards. Next, we have Venus. Venus is an exclusive protocol that runs on top of the Binance Smart Chain, facilitating lending, borrowing and credit on digital assets. Working as an algorithmic money market system, Venus's goal is to bring a decentralized lending and credit system to the Binance Smart Chain. Interestingly, Venus seems to make a better DeFi ecosystem than decentralized and of course centralized exchanges in cryptocurrency. Apart from facilitating the borrowing of digital assets without disturbing KYC and credit check, the protocol also enables the deposit of stablecoins and digital assets as collateral, fast minting of stablecoins from collateral, and earning of return yields. Note that all of the protocol's assets are bound by the BEP20 standards, and assets held within the protocol can earn interest depending on the demand for such assets. To ensure fairness and transparency in distribution, Venus's token governs the protocol. Next, there's BAKERYSWAP. Among the largest and most popular protocols operating on the Binance Smart Chain is BAKERYSWAP. The project operates as a decentralized and automated market maker protocol that offers NFT trading solutions as well to its users. The protocol works with the BAKE token, which doubles as a governance voting token and a token for receiving transaction fee dividends. Additionally, BAKERYSWAP users can also use the token to come up with random combo meals that create one-of-a-kind NFT that can serve as a collectible item and as a farming tool for Bake, which is the platform's native token. BAKERYSWAP is also attempting to evolve into the next generation of one of the biggest DeFi protocols in the crypto market, Uniswap. However, the major difference is that BAKERYSWAP can provide better services at a lower cost and in a more efficient manner. Note that the Bake platform offers rewards to liquidity pools in the form of BUSD, BTC, ETH, Link, DOT, and Bank versus BNB. Next, we have the BSCX. BSCX is a decentralized, non-custodial crypto exchange that aims to bring Binance's off-chain services to the blockchain. The platform works with a technology known as cross-liquidity layer 2, which makes it possible for it to use the liquidity of other automated market makers on the BSC to provide users with even greater liquidity and yield farming services. Active users that deposit assets that make up liquidity for the market receive BSCX tokens as passive income. Minting of the BSCX token is done through liquidity mining. The token is a governance and equity token of the BSCX ecosystem, which means that holders can take part in all on-chain activities such as liquidity farming, Launch Pool X, Launch Pad X, etc. Additionally, the BSCX team is also working to promote various features of the DeFi market so as to provide users with more economic benefits. Next on the list is BEEFY Finance. BEEFY Finance is a decentralized yield optimizer that enables users to receive compound interest on their cryptocurrency assets. The platform is appraised to be capable of programmatically automating actions to provide better yield chances for its users while taking advantage of the Binance Smart Chain's low gas fees. The platform greatly tops users' rewards from different liquidity pools, automated market making projects, as well as other yield farming opportunities in the decentralized finance ecosystem using a set of investment strategies. Their primary product is the vaults, where you stake your cryptocurrency tokens. The particular investment strategy associated with the vault will top up the amount of tokens you have deposited automatically by compounding arbitrary yield farm reward tokens back into your initial deposit. Note that the name vault does not mean you can't access your funds. Your assets are not actually being locked away, which means you can withdraw them at any time. BEEFY Finance's native token is BEEFY, which serves as a governance token to create proposals and votes. It is also used to stake to earn rewards in BEEFY. Its current circulating supply is 72,000 BEEFY coins and a maximum supply of 80,000 BEEFY coins. Next, there's AUTOFARM. Another yield optimizer on the Binance Smart Chain is the AUTOFARM. It has over $1 billion in total value locked into the platform's liquidity pool. Their selling point or differentiating factor from other farming projects is the fact that they have one of the lowest fees in the industry. AUTOFARM has two primary products, which are vaults and swap. Vaults automatically compound users' yields at empirically optimal intervals while pulling gas costs. They are able to run this through smart contract code and A-grade yield optimizing strategies. There are about a total of 232 vaults on the AUTOFARM platform where users can deposit their assets and earn rewards, among which 196 are linked via BSC. To optimize the auto compounding strategy, every vault uses a unique set of mechanisms. The majority of the vaults offer APYs in the hundreds or thousands. However, those figures are expected to go down as more people use the AUTOFARM protocol. On the other hand, Swap is a decentralized exchange aggregator that provides traders with the best prices from their DEX trades. The DEX splits users' trades across different platforms to make sure traders get the best prices and lowest slippage possible. Also, the team backing AUTOFARM is very security conscious, seeing that they recently had their smart contract logic audited. AUTOFARM's native utility, BEP token, is Auto, which serves as a governance token for the AUTOFARM protocol. Next, we have Alpaca Finance. Alpaca Finance brags about being the biggest lending protocol that facilitates leveraged yield farming on Binance Smart Chain. According to them, they are a community-focused project that started as a fair launch project without pre-sale, investors, or even pre-mine. The platform provides some of the highest APYs, and their users can take on roles as lenders, yield farmers, bounty hunters, and liquidators. Each of the roles requires a different set of skills needed to keep Alpaca on top and flourishing. One of Alpaca's defining features is its on-chain leverage protocol that outperforms traditional APYs. This leverage yield farming enables users to increase gains more quickly and at a higher rate. Walt Finance, which is another rapidly growing DEX, recently partnered with Alpaca. Their collaboration is resulting in APYs hitting the millions, as Walt Finance has, on its own, experienced tremendous growth since its inception on Alpaca. Next, we have PancakeBunny. PancakeBunny, used for PancakeSwap and Venus, is a fast-rising yield optimizer launched for the purpose of expanding the development of yield aggregator protocols on the Binance Smart Chain. It is one of the largest yield aggregators across ETH and BSC in terms of total value locked. The protocol enables users to optimize yield compounding strategies on the Binance Smart Chain by leveraging their yield-seeking tendencies. Its goal is to support the DeFi ecosystem by enabling users to increase their profitability on Binance Smart Chain automatically. The platform is all ready to join the cross-chain swap technology by enabling Ethereum holders to farm yields on the Bunny platform. There are many other platforms and protocols currently running on the Binance Smart Chain, and many more will come on board as the blockchain continues to stabilize. With this video, we intend to point you to some of the projects on the blockchain that are looking very promising. So far, they have provided excellent values for investors and still have great potential for the future. However, before investing in any of the listed projects, please do your own research. Well, there you have it, folks, the top projects being built on Binance in 2021. These projects also have a bright future for 2022, so I'm really excited to see how they continue to innovate and bring new awesome DeFi products to the crypto space. Now, if there's a crypto project that I left out that you think is a top dog in the Binance Smart Chain then drop a comment below and share your opinions on what you think some of the top projects are on Binance Smart Chain that I didn't cover in this video, and why you think those projects are awesome. Let's get a conversation going on some of the top projects being built on the Binance Smart Chain, so that way we can familiarize ourselves with more projects and learn even faster. After all, that's the purpose of creating this YouTube channel, was to connect with other like-minded crypto enthusiasts, so that way we can learn from each other much faster. And as always, if you found this video resourceful, please smash that like button. It does help support this channel and it would mean the world to me. Well, thank you again for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.